Botswana's journey to assert and protect LGBTI plus rights was thrust into the spotlight at the Women Judges Conference. The country has come a long way in its fight against discriminatory laws. The first notable bid to decriminalise same-sex relations was Kanane versus State, where the applicant, through his then attorney and now president of Botswana, Duma Boko, challenged the constitutionality of prohibiting same-sex relations. President of the Botswana chapter explains why it was unsuccessful.
The court said it wasn't time for Botswana to consider whether or not to decriminalise same-sex relations, and that gay men and women do not represent a class or a group of people that need protection under the Constitution.
But a change was on the horizon. The first signs of a new day in Botswana crept in when its parliament amended Section 23 of the Employment Act to include sexual orientation as a prohibited ground for termination of a contract of employment. Then what would follow is a string of cases challenging the constitutionality of such laws. This includes the Mutsidi case, where Judge Kganyago reiterated Justice Ian Kirby's findings on such provisions.
At present, they serve only to stigmatize gay men unnecessarily, which has a harmful effect on them. And as far as he was aware, there has never been any prosecution of a woman or even the thought of it.
In 2021, the Court of Appeal upheld a High Court ruling decriminalizing same-sex relations. Despite this victory, the Penal Code amendment is still gathering dust in Botswana's parliament.
Despite the Court of Appeal decision, the Penal Code still hasn't been amended.
The conference continues. Canny Maphanga, SABC News, Cape Town.